Now, this is a video of two talking cats, Callie and Megan. This is on called Nap Time. Here it is.
Hey Callie, how you doing?
Oh, doing okay. What are you doing, huh?
Oh, not much. Look so sweet.
Oh, I thank you. I'm a good girl. Yeah, I'm a good kitty. Yes, I am. I'm so nice and soft.
Oh, how you doing today?
Doing good. Yes, I'm doing so nice. I'm a good girl.
Having a very nice dream. Oh, what did you dream about?
Oh, I was dreaming about me a puppy cat.
Like the late into?
Oh, it was so nice. Everybody loved me.
Hey, that sounds great.
Oh, thank you.
You're such a good girl, aren't you?
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm so tired right now. I'm gonna hang out.
Okay, let you hang out.
Thank you so much. I gotta go, okay?
Okay. Now, now we're gonna find out how Callie's doing. Yeah, Callie is doing pretty good. Yes, she is. So, we're gonna find out how Megan's doing. Let's see. I'm sure Megan's doing pretty good. Yes, she is. Megan? Megan, where are you? Oh, there she is.
Here she is. Oh, taking a little nap too? Yeah. You know, sweetest little kitty of all.
Oh, that's a good girl. Oh, you like my bed?
Yeah. I'm gonna take a bath. Oh, man. Oh. That's better. Oh, how you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. Just got walk.
That's good.
Oh, you're such a sweet little girl.
I thank you. I gotta take a bath. I gotta go back taking my nap, okay?
Okay, honey. You go ahead. See you later, okay?
Yeah, that was my two cats. That was Megan and Callie, the talking cats, in Nap Time. Hope you liked it.